Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel called Coffee with Success. Today we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing for beginners. However, how to generate traffic to your affiliate link in the year 2021. Let's go on to the next slide. And let me move this thing here. 5 steps to generate traffic to your affiliate link. Here we go, guys. Paid online advertising is one of them. YouTube, social media, blogging, and product reviews. And I separated YouTube and social media because YouTube is like its own world in itself and it's growing and growing. So that's why. All right, let's go on to the next slide. Paid online advertisement. So you see YouTube, Yahoo, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, Google AdWords, Bing. There's so many other ways, right? So advertising is the mainstay of lead generation. Whether you choose to pay for search, social media campaigns, remarketing, or display advertising, it is tried and tested method to drive traffic to your affiliate links. One of the advantages of using paid lead generating techniques is that people who click on your links are usually high up in the buying cycle and are therefore ready to purchase. However, you need to balance the cost of your advertisement with the commissions you're receiving per sale. If each ad conversion costs $50 and the commission per sale is $40, it's not worth pursuing this form of lead generation. So we have to look, I mean, we won't get too far into the weeds in terms of ad. There's all these techniques, right? How to lower the cost per click, and there's all these things. But if you right off the bat, and this is where you're spending, you're losing commissions, then we need to fine tweak that. But all we're talking about today is paid advertising. And that's one of the ways to generate traffic to your sites. And this is just like we were talking about, average cost per click. So a search, right? Just doing the search, tips to lower, choose keywords wisely, improve quality score, try search partner network. And it says that cost per click $2.40. For display, if you're going to display advertisement, tips there is to negotiate keyword list, priority building structure, optimize product feed and attributes. To get it down to about 58 cents for shopping, leverage exclusion, revisit building A/B test audience targeting. So what that means is putting 2 types of ad, see which one's working better. And you're going to be able to identify the ones that are the winners. On Facebook is about 97 cents. Tips to lower that is A/B test, again, which ad copy is generating more traffic. Choose campaign objectives wisely and ad scheduling. So ad scheduling, you want to see when you have the highest traffic. So stop spending, it might be more expensive or vice versa, right? What you want to do is get the best bang for your buck when you're paying for advertising. So if you're paying consistently, just as an example, $10 an hour, and you're only getting 1 or 2 search per clicks between 8 and 12, then probably it's not as worth, investing during those times. But if you're paying $10 an hour between 12 and 5 o'clock and you're getting 10 clicks for each hour, then you want to throw more money into that schedule. So that's what it's talking about. Instagram averages about 123. Lower tips to lower that is customize placements, select the targeting, and focus on engagement. Just a few tips. All right, so social media statistics. Why do we want to hit those? Well, so far it's close to 7.3 billion, the population currently. The active internet users is 3.1, and we're talking billions and all these statistics, right? Active social media users, 2.2, unique mobile users, 3.7, and active mobile social users, 1.9. And guys, I believe this statistic is a couple years old. So this is probably pre-pandemic due to COVID. No, Google Ads industry benchmark, right? Quick facts, Google Ad industry benchmark. What it's saying is that the average click-through rate with a CTR in Google Ads across all industries is about 3.17 for search. and about 0.46% for display. The average cost per click on Google Ads across all industries is 2.69 for search and about 63 cents for display. Again, the averages for conversion rate on Google Ads across all is 3.7, and for display is less than 1%. The average cost per ad across all industries is $48 for search and about $75 for display. Now, I haven't seen it that high for myself, and I think it's probably, if you throw across all industries, it's going to throw that average high. Okay, so take that with a grain of salt. And there's other, if you really want to deep dive, there's many articles out there. As a matter of fact, how much are you paying on your ad campaigns? And share that with us. And if you have any more tips on how to lower that, please share with us. So YouTube, this is the big blue whale here. YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the internet with approximately 3 billion views per day. As such, it is beneficial for you to start your own channel to promote your offers. Add an interesting video that relates to your offer. Then include a compelling call to action that links to your affiliate products. Make sure to also put your call to action links or discount codes within the description box with a short description of your video to further utilize your video ad and overlay, which is a little box that stays on the video throughout with your CTA on it. You can get started on adsyoutube.com. So there you can't click on it, but you can go to that particular link. Don't restrict yourself to YouTube, as there are other video channels like Vimeo that can be used to good effect. However, one of the disadvantages of Vimeo promoting this does not take an effort to produce good content that is going to attract loyal audience. On the plus side, great videos have the potential to go viral and can escalate very quickly, hundreds and thousands of viewers. So YouTube, the platform is going to be, you can have longer videos and you can talk about the product or your service with more detail. On the other hand, like Vimeo or TikTok, they're 5-10 seconds, however long that is. So it's a special technique to try to capture that audience. And it could be a hard sell to convince somebody to buy something on Vimeo. That, you know, you have to have a good following for people to kind of make that conversion. But it's not impossible. Obviously, people are making millions of dollars on those platforms. So, you know, don't rule that out. If you're good on that, then do that. Social media. If your audience is hanging out on social media, then you and your affiliate offers need to be there too. You can use social media in many ways, include participating in communities what they need of your product. You know, I won't go into all those details there, but sharing your blog content with links, running an advertising campaign using social media marketing. You can also use social media to publish long articles, which links your offer. A good place to publish includes platforms such as LinkedIn, Medium, Reddit, SlideShare, Udemy. So, you know, do your research on the other platforms. There's millions of people out there. It's just finding the right technique and the right sales pitch. So another way to make sure you drive traffic to your affiliate link is by blogs. And sorry, guys, I didn't see that earlier and I would have fixed that. It's driving me crazy now. Okay, blog posts are a great way to share affiliate links. If you have an active readership, your audience will already be warm to your reviews and advice. And I do that for myself. So when I want to buy a phone or any type of gadget, I do my research. I make sure that I go to trusted sites that I've been following for a while, and and they do compelling arguments on why should you buy this product or why shouldn't you. Obviously, they have, you know, they will supply a link where we can get a discount, but they also have some type of monetary incentive. But, you know, I trust them because I've been seeing them and I've had good luck on buying some products like that when I'm listening to people's reviews. And, you know, I take it with a grain of salt. I also make sure that I just don't do one. I do many. I do a lot of research when I buy gadgets. Another method of using the blog post is to promote affiliate links, is to answer to answer your readers' comments and use your affiliate links in the replies. If the product you're promoting is related to the answer, it doesn't look like a sales pitch, but a solution to the reader problem. Be careful of doing this on other people's blogs. It may come across as spam. Yeah, so you want to be careful with that. When you're writing a blog, and I'm not a blogger, but this is the articles that I read, you want to create, you talked about the problem so people can relate to it, and then you bring a solution. And I think that's what they're saying, where you can plug in your affiliate link to make it approachable and as a viable solution to that problem. You know, it's not a hard sell, it's saying this is how you should fix it, or a recommendation. So we were talking about product reviews earlier, how to post that on YouTube. The online audience is influenced by other people's views of the product and will often research their testimonials and reviews before committing to buy. It estimates that 90% of potential buyers will read online reviews before visiting the website and making a buying decision. Absolutely, yes. For publishers who have built a loyal audience, these statistics are good news. Absolutely. So I don't know much about that one, how to do customer reviews and stuff like that. How do you monetize that? But if people believe that you're doing a good review and you're not being biased, you know, there's all these techniques how you plug that in. And I'm just, you know, this video was done in the purpose of, there are many ways to drive traffic to your site. If you have any questions, thoughts, concerns, let me know. How much do you pay per click? And if you were paying high, how did you reduce the cost? Thank you guys. Until next time.